What? Что? Какой? Where? Где? Куда? When? Когда? Why? Почему? Зачем? How? Как? I name the question word. You translate. Who? What? Where? When? Why? How? Who? Who is that girl? What? What is there on the table? Where? Where is your mother? When? When is the lesson? Why? Why do you like chocolate? How? How many pens do you have? Hello! Now you will know how to use present simple and present continuous.
I read or I am reading. She reads or she is reading. You read or you are reading.
Philip reads an English book. He has an English book now. Is he reading the book now? No, he isn't. Now Philip is in the park. He is reading the book now. We are reading now at the moment. We read usually, every day, always, often.
What are you doing at the moment?
I am playing football now.
I'm not playing at the moment.
When do you play?
I usually play football only on Saturday with my father.
Philip and Mary, at the moment, speak, are speaking. Philip, English books every day. Reads, is reading. Philip, football now. Plays, is playing. Present continuous. Are speaking. Is reading. Is playing. Present simple. Plays, reads, speak,